Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Molapo. I'm the owner and founder of TshediM Creations. TshediM Creations deals with handmade, African-inspired accessories. We also do clothing as well. On the socials, you can get us on Facebook. It's TshediM Creation. My Tshedi is Tshedi M Creations, and on Instagram you can find me on TshediM_creations. The reason I started my company is because I lost a job. I was working for a reputable bank for 7 years, then lost my job. I didn't have something to fall back on. So I decided to do my to use my talent and to do this. So far I'm happy because I'm doing what I'm passionate about. Every day when I wake up, I'm happy for doing what I do best. Hi, my name is Molapo and I'm a township entrepreneur.